Alright, what we have here is the all-new MRT Camaro SS exhaust featuring our 304 stainless steel. This is a Cat-Back design, so it retains the factory catalyst, and it is a full performance system including our signature MRT H-pipe. The intent for this system is obviously to balance the true muscle car sound of the heritage of the muscle car V8 sound, add performance by reducing back pressure and managing flow, optimizing the pressure balance between banks from the left hand to the right hand side as the engine fires. And part of the key DNA of the MRT design systems is that we manage the exhaust tones to maximize the performance sounds, but also to minimize the drone or the resonance. And the best balance between those two features is what we go to market with. Alright, so we're going to do some kind of simulated in-town, I'll call it normal driving. Get up to 30-35 miles an hour and talk about what we are experiencing in the car. Exhaust presence is definitely here. We can tell that we have a performance exhaust. Road noise is probably on par, and it sometimes is louder than exhaust noise, so it is not obnoxious at all, not objectionable. It sounds like we have a V8. Alright, so now we're going to get into traffic a little bit, so let's see what our alright, so that's a reasonable acceleration up to 45. Again, sounds cool, but is not objectionable in any way. Our next driving input is going to be getting onto a highway and see what happens to the cruising RPM range and how that is affected by drone or resonance. Cruising right now 70 miles an hour. Again, we have exhaust presence, but nothing that we have to yell over. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would put our drone at a 1 or 2. It's almost not discernible. RPM range is running in the 1900 to 2000 RPM range. On our Camaro SS project here, we've done some performance as well as some styling, as you can see under hood. Real nice, clean, color-keyed theme where we've added the color tones to some of the key components under hood. A little bling, a couple billet bits and pieces. Overall, just a clean, nice, presentable package. The primary performance mods are in combination of the cold air induction, the MRT Cat-Back exhaust, nice performance sound all out of our 304 stainless steel made here in Plymouth, Michigan. And then we finished it with an SCT tune to optimize the tune for premium fuel. Overall, very drivable, very manageable, fun package. This car is ready for spring.